Welcome back to my channel, Click and Discover, your ultimate guide to exploring the best products for your lifestyle and adventures. Today we are diving into the essential gear every traveler needs to make their journey smooth, fun, and unforgettable. Are you planning your next adventure? Choosing compact, versatile gadgets is the best thing you can do for yourself while preparing for a trip. In today's video, we are counting down the top 10 travel gadgets for your next adventure. From high-tech tools to practical must-haves, we've got you covered. Stay tuned because these items will not only enhance your travel experience but also ensure you're prepared for anything the road throws your way. Here are a few enhancements and additional tips to make the list even more engaging and informative. Now starting off our lists. Our first item, portable power bank. Traveling often involves long stretches without access to power outlets, especially during bus travels or rides to remote locations. A good source of battery to rely upon is a must-have for any traveler. Having a sleek, lightweight power bank is the best investment you can make before planning your next trip. With a trustable power bank, you can enhance the overall experience of your vacation and capture the moments as much as you want without being worried about the battery. Instead of waiting for your phones to be charged in the hotel room, charge your power banks overnight and then plug your phones with the power banks on the go. Buying tips: always check the actual output capacity of the power bank, as the efficiency can affect how it charges your devices. Typically, a power bank of about 10,000 to 20,000 mAh battery capacity generally strikes a good balance between portability and sufficient charging capacity for most travelers. Next item is smartwatch with GPS connection. A hands-free convenience experience is much needed while traveling. With a smartphone in hand, you are constantly on the verge of dropping your phone somewhere. But if your hands are free, you can focus more on having a safer experience without missing any notifications as the latter pops on your smartwatch. A smartwatch can help you manage your itinerary better by keeping track of schedules and alarms. This gadget is the most lightweight and versatile gadget to travel with, as it adds essential functionalities to the whole traveling experience. Buying tips: ensure the smartwatch has a long battery life and is compatible with your smartphone. Features like water resistance and offline maps can also be beneficial. Next item, universal travel adapter. If you are traveling internationally, or even for domestic travel, different states and different countries use different plug types and voltages. A universal adapter allows you to plug your devices into any sockets. This one-time purchase will not only make your trip easy but will also allow multiple benefits for all your devices like smartphones, laptops, power banks, etc. without providing any risk or damage to them. This gadget is the most practical and cost-effective solution for charging your devices while traveling. Buying tips: choose an adapter with multiple USB ports and surge protection for added safety. Next item is smart luggage. Description: smart luggage has taken the travel industry by storm, offering innovative features that make any journey more convenient and secure. Some options come with built-in GPS tracking, so you'll never have to worry about misplacing your bag. Buying tips: look for luggage with durable materials, ample storage compartments, and additional features like USB charging ports. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell icon and share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Our next items, multifunctional 9-variety blade tool. This is a multipurpose blade tool that has everything from a knife, scissor, plier, and screwdriver to a can opener and wire cutter, which can be used for anything from repairing zippers to fixing a broken strap. This is the best gadget that keeps you prepared for any kind of uncertainty or emergency and is quite economical to purchase. For travelers engaged in outside adventure trips like camping or hiking, this DIY repair tool is most valuable. Buying tips: look for tools made from stainless steel for durability and check for safety features to prevent accidental injuries. Our next items is waterproof phone case. This gadget could seem like a small investment in the travel to buy list but is a very essential gadget. A waterproof phone case can protect your phone from many common travel-related hazards, enhancing both the safety of your device and enhancing your travel experience. Whether you are visiting beaches, pools, or places with unpredictable weather, this is a must-have for travelers. Buying tips: look for cases that provide full submersion protection and ensure they fit your phone model snugly. Next item is travel umbrella. Nature is dynamic, and you do not know how and when the weather will change. Be prepared in advance and carry a mini umbrella with you. If not from rain, it will protect your beautiful skin from the sun. Buying tips: opt for a lightweight, compact umbrella that can fit easily in your bag and withstand strong winds. Our list number 10 is lightweight water bottle. Everything that you carry during your trip should be compact and of small size, even your water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, even during travel when the routine is disturbed, and carrying a reusable water bottle is a great item to have in your travel bag. It acts as a reminder for you to drink enough liquids during your trip to have more stable energy levels so that you can have a more elevated travel experience. Buying tips: choose a bottle that is BPA free, easy to clean, and has a leak-proof design. Compressible neck pillow. A compressible neck pillow is an essential travel accessory for extended forms of travel like road trips or long flights. A better rested body during travel means you are likely to have more energy upon reaching your destination, making your trip more enjoyable and productive, whether for leisure or business. Buying tips: look for pillows made from memory foam or other comfortable materials and ensure they have a washable cover. Travel-sized skincare kit. Travel skincare essentials are crucial for maintaining your skin's health during travel. A compact kit with essential skincare products can help you stay refreshed and protected against different climates. Kit essentials are: Number 1. Cleanser. Number 2. Toner. Number 3. Serum. Number 4. Face moisturizer and body moisturizer. Number 5. Sunscreen. Number 6. Face mask. Number 7. Lip balm. Number 8. Body wash. Number 9. A bottle of shampoo. Buying tips: choose travel-sized containers and ensure they comply with airline liquid restrictions. And there you have it, our top 10 travel gadgets for your next adventure. We hope this list helps you pack smarter and travel better, making your trips more enjoyable and hassle-free. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What are your must-have travel gadgets? Drop a comment below and let us know. Make sure to subscribe my channel Click and Discover and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, tips, and travel guides. Thank you for watching and happy travels.